Delicious homemade mujaddara rice recipe, Middle Eastern comfort food. Hi YouTube foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, a mouth-watering Middle Eastern dish that's not only delicious but also incredibly comforting. We're going to show you how to make homemade mujaddara rice. So, let's start it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for mujaddara rice. 1 cup brown or green lentils. 1 cup basmati rice. 3 large onions, thinly sliced. 4 cups vegetable broth or water. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon coriander. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Salt and pepper to taste. First, let's start with the lentils. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water. In a saucepan, combine the lentils with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the lentils are tender but not mushy. Drain any excess water. While the lentils are cooking, let's move on to the rice. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a separate pot, heat 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add the rice and sauté for a couple of minutes until it's well coated and slightly toasted. Now, add the cumin, coriander, and cinnamon to the rice. Stir well to combine and let it sauté for another minute. This will infuse the rice with those wonderful Middle Eastern flavors. Now, the secret to mujaddara's amazing flavor: caramelized onions. In a skillet, heat some olive oil and add the thinly sliced onions. Cook them over medium heat, stirring frequently, until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This may take about 15 to 20 minutes, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Once the lentils are cooked and the rice and onions are ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a large pot, combine the cooked lentils, spiced rice, and half of the caramelized onions. Pour in the vegetable broth or water, season with salt and pepper to taste, and give it a gentle stir. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and has absorbed the liquid. Once done, fluff the mujaddara with a fork and top it with the remaining caramelized onions. The sweet, savory, and spiced flavors all come together in this beautiful dish. Serve it hot, and you've got yourself a Middle Eastern comfort food masterpiece. And there you have it, folks, homemade mujaddara rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen, and happy cooking. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box.